saga continues. I just left Walmart, driving home, and now I'm around above 230. It shouldn't be above 230. I don't know what's going on here. I'll have to get at home and open up the hood and find out what's going on. I don't know what's going on. This is ridiculous. Alright, so the saga continues. I got back from Walmart and my fan belt is off the thing again. What's going on, man? Why is it coming off of there? Is it that the fan belt itself is not good? I mean, it looks fine. There's some fluid on it right there, but I don't know. Maybe I just need to go get me another one. Maybe it's the belt itself. Maybe. I got to go to the store because I got to get some ice before the hurricane comes, just in case we need ice to keep stuff cold. I can take that with me and get a new one. I can say, I need one of those. And of course, since I was talking to you earlier about the whole thing with O'Reilly helping my wife out and Advanced Auto not, I think I'll take it to O'Reilly since they seem to be helpful. Give them some of my repeat business. Yeah, that'll give me a chance to drive the Yukon and to get some ice and fan belt. Yeah, let's do that. Alright, so check it out. They go by this number. We're gonna get it so this thing will focus. On the side of this belt, 15445. That's the number they go by to find your other belt. So I got me one here. 15445. The teeth look better. It looks like it's sturdier construction. I'm gonna put this in there. Alright, so the first thing I did was get the fan around the belt around the fan, and then I hooked it onto the water pump and the fan part. I loosened up my alternator so that it will slide. And now put it on there. Now, if I tighten this back up again, that should be good to go. That's been tightened down with some love. That's what we call crowbar around here, love. That's got some good tension to it. Alright, just like before, it seems to be running fine. I do have a little bit of wobble down here. Y'all notice that? Well, you probably can't because I'm vibrating with the car. Let's give her some gas. Can y'all see that? What is she trying to tell me?